Creating a network diagram in Microsoft Project provides a visual representation of project tasks and their dependencies. Here's how to create one. Open your project, launch Microsoft Project, open your project file, access the network diagram view, switch view, go to View Network Diagram from the top menu. This view will display your tasks and dependencies in a network format. Add tasks and dependencies. Enter tasks. Ensure all tasks are entered in your project. You can add tasks by typing them into the task name column in the Gantt chart view before switching to the network diagram. Set dependencies. Define task dependencies by linking tasks in the Gantt chart view. Go to Task, link tasks to create relationships. Customize the diagram. Adjust layout. Customize the appearance of the network diagram. You can move tasks and adjust the layout to improve clarity. Format diagram. Use the Format tab to change styles, colors, and shapes of tasks and links for better visualization. Save and share. Save your work. Save your project file to retain the network diagram. Click File, Save As, and choose the desired location. Export if needed. For sharing, export the diagram by going to File, Export, and selecting an appropriate format.